Welcome to F1 Blogs, your GOTO place for the latest Formula One news, team updates, and industry analysis. If you're passionate about the sport, you'll love what we cover here. The ripple effect of the Trump administration's aggressive tariff policies is now being felt in the world of Formula One. Haas, the only currently active American team on the grid, has publicly expressed concern about the economic consequences their manufacturing branch is facing due to these new trade measures. In a recent statement, the U.S.-based manufacturer explained that the new economic policies have caused a sharp decline in demand for their machinery, both from domestic clients and international customers. In recent days, we have seen a dramatic drop in demand, the company said, referencing its facility in Oxnard, California. This plant, in operation since 1983, employs over 700 people and has been forced to cut back on production and overtime hours. Of particular concern to Haas are potential reductions in tariffs for Asian machinery producers from countries like Japan, Taiwan, and South Korea. Haas is calling for exemptions on key components and raw materials that it imports from these regions to remain competitive. Without these exemptions, their operations could suffer even further. Despite this economic pressure on their manufacturing arm, Haas has reassured fans and partners that their Formula One team remains unaffected, for now. Our racing operations continue as planned. There is no change to our development strategy, hiring plans, or project schedules, the team stated. The news arrives at a crucial moment, as the global motorsport industry watches how the U.S. trade policies might impact a sport that is becoming increasingly intertwined with the United States. Formula One currently hosts 3 races on American soil, Miami, Austin, and Las Vegas, and the sport will see General Motors enter the grid through Cadillac in 2026. However, none of the other American-based stakeholders, including Liberty Media, the commercial rights holder of F1, or Cadillac, have publicly commented on the matter yet. On the track, the 2025 season is off to a strong start for Haas. With Esteban Ocon and rookie Oliver Bearman at the wheel, the team currently sits 6th in the Constructors' Championship with 15 points. Both drivers have scored points in China and Japan, and Bearman in particular has caught the attention of the paddock with his strong performances. The new VF25 chassis is proving to be reliable and consistent in midfield battles. Ocon finished 5th in China, while Bearman took 8th in the same race and defended hard for a points finish in Suzuka, even holding off a charge from Fernando Alonso. Team principal Ayao Komatsu is focused on continued improvement ahead of the upcoming Bahrain Grand Prix. We return here understanding the car better and operating more effectively as a team, Komatsu stated. He also mentioned that the upgraded floor introduced in Japan will be crucial in evaluating further gains. In summary, while Trump's tariffs threaten to impact the broader infrastructure behind one of Formula One's most crucial teams, Haas's racing arm continues uninterrupted, for now. But if the trade war escalates, the effects could quickly spill into the paddock. Thanks for tuning into F1 Blogs. If you enjoy deep dive reports on the intersections of politics, economics, and motorsports, then this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, and straight talk analysis. See you in the next video.